In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header on your Big Cartel website. Let's dive right in and make your online store truly stand out. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Big Cartel dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you've logged in and landed on the dashboard, you're on the right track to start customizing your site. Now look towards the top corner of your dashboard. Here you'll see your profile icon. Click on this profile icon, which will open up a drop-down menu containing various sections and settings related to your store. Next, you want to scroll down and locate the section labeled Shop Design. This is a crucial part, as you'll find many of your customization options here. Look for a button or link that says Go to Shop Designer and click it. This will take you into the more detailed customization interface, where you can start editing your header. Once you're in the Shop Designer, focus on selecting the right font for your header. Click on the header font option to view a variety of font styles. Selecting a font that matches the feel and tone of your brand is key here. Don't rush this step. Take your time to preview how each font looks and choose the one that best represents your brand's identity. After setting your header font, let's move on to the navigation and layout of your header. Click on the section labeled Navigation and Layout. Here, you can modify the arrangement and elements that appear in your header. Experiment with different settings to see how they affect the overall look and functionality of your website. Remember, your header is often the first thing visitors see, so ensure it's both functional and visually appealing. As you explore these options, you'll see you have the flexibility to make your header truly your own. Customize the navigation links, adjust layout options, and even play around with colors if you'd like. This is where your creativity can shine, but always keep user experience in mind. Finally, after all your edits and adjustments, it's important to preview your changes. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the design, go ahead and hit publish. This step confirms all your customization changes and brings them live on your website. Ensure you double check your header to avoid any typos or misalignments before publishing. And that's it! You've successfully edited the header on your Big Cartel website. By following these steps, you can create a welcoming and well-organized header that truly represents your brand. Whether you're updating it with a new look or making seasonal adjustments, these tools in Big Cartel put the power of customization at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.